Let us discuss distributed WAL in ScalarDB. Write-ahead logging or WAL is a family of techniques used to provide two of the ACID properties such as atomicity and durability in the database systems. The changes are first recorded in the log, usually both redo and undo information is stored in the log. After writing changes to the log, the changes are applied to the database file. Write-ahead logging is the key technology to achieve ACID transactions. In common databases, WAL records and user or application records are managed separately. WAL records have information of before image and after image. This information is used to recover from a database crash or such similar situations. This is a simple image of roll forward using WAL after a DB issue. The commit record is written in the WAL first. DBMS also tries to update the target value in the database file to 2. But consider a case where system failure occurred before updating the value. Fortunately, the system has been rebooted. But at this point, there is a difference between the WAL and DB files. DBMS checks WAL and confirms if the transaction is completed in WAL. When the transaction is completed, DBMS executes roll forward and updates the target value to 2. We can realize that WAL is a key technology for providing atomicity and durability in database systems. Each database system has the architecture of WAL. Therefore, it makes it difficult to achieve ACID transactions across multiple types of databases. ScalarDB addresses this challenge by using distributed WAL technology. ScalarDB manages WAL information in each record. This technology removes the constraints of DBMS-specific WAL management and provides atomicity and durability across different types of databases. This is a simple image of distributed WAL in ScalarDB. ScalarDB adds transaction metadata information to each record. Application data refers to the information or data on which operations are performed. In ScalarDB, transaction metadata information is added to each record. This record consists of an after image and a before image. As you can see, ScalarDB records contain WAL information as well, and thus acts as a data table as well as a WAL simultaneously. This is an image where the available points value is updated from 1000 to 2000. As you can see, application data in before image shows 1000 as available points, and application data in after image shows 2000 as available points. Check the value of the version in transaction metadata. It is increment from before image to after image. So the version is seen as 1 in before image and 2 in case of after image.